great rejoicing in Kampala on the day of the wedding of the king of... There was great rejoicing in Kampala on the day of the wedding of the king of Uganda, which, however confusing it may sound, is a province in Uganda. Hundreds of guests and spectators attended the festivities, and before the ceremonies began, Edward Muteesa II, the kabaka, or king, walked and chatted with many of his subjects. There was some last-minute advice from, well, could it be his future mother-in-law? And the service in the Cathedral Church of St. Paul at Namirambi was conducted by the Anglican Bishop of Uganda. The bridesmaids arrived with the bride. She is Miss Catherine Damali Kiso-Sonkoli, the daughter of an ex-secretary of the native parliament. Like the kabaka, she received part of her education in Britain. Incidentally, the majority of the Baganda people are Christians. The kabaka and his bride, leaving the cathedral after the ceremony, were greeted by plenty of real African music. One of the drums, by the way, is said to be 400 years old. There was a reception at the palace where bride and groom acknowledged congratulations and loyal greetings from subjects and guests. Everything on this occasion followed the British pattern, even to the wedding cake. And here's the final scene, the departure of the royal pair for their honeymoon at the new palace of Bulemesi.